I'm an elephant. I'm an elephant. I'm an elephant. I'm a big animal. I'm a mouse. I'm a mouse. I'm a mouse. I'm a small animal. I'm a watermelon. I'm a watermelon. I'm a watermelon. I'm a big fruit. I'm a strawberry. I'm a strawberry. I'm a strawberry. I'm a small fruit. I'm an aeroplane. I'm an aeroplane. I'm an aeroplane. I'm a big vehicle. I'm a car. I'm a car. I'm a car. I'm a small vehicle. B-I-G says big. S-M-A-L-L small. Hi everyone. How do you feel today? Oh great. It's the time to learn mathematics. Do you like to learn mathematics? Are you ready? Do you remember last lesson? We learned all about numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Today we are going to learn pre-math concept big and small. What we are going to learn today? Big and small. Big is the opposite of small. Do you know how to show big and small using our hands? Big and small. Big, small. If the object is big, we can show by our hands like this. If the object is small, we can show like this. Let's start the lesson. Listen carefully. Look at the board. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. Now I'm going to draw a circle. Another circle here. Which one is the big circle? This one is big. This one is small. Big circle and small circle. Big circle, small circle. Now I am going to draw two flowers. See, there are two flowers. Which one is the big one? This one is big. Big flower, small flower. When we are comparing two objects, we can see which one is the big one. Now I will show you more examples to you. Now you can see two balls. One is big and one is small. Now you can see two fishes. One is big and one is small. Which gift is the big one? Left side one. There are two trees. One is big and one is small. You can see two ships. One is big and one is small. You can see Elephant with baby elephant. Baby elephant always small. Lion with cub. Baby lion cub. Very small. Mama is always bigger than baby. Mouse is very small animal. Elephant always big. Lion is bigger than mouse. Elephant is the biggest animal, then lion. Mouse is small. Aeroplane. It's a big vehicle. Car is always small. If we compare bus with a car, bus is bigger than car. Aeroplane is very big, then bus. Comparing to these two, car is small. Watermelon is big fruit. Strawberries small. Apple is bigger than strawberry. Strawberry is very small. Apple is bigger than strawberry. Watermelon always big. Ostrich is biggest. Robin is very small. If we compare duck with robin, duck is big. Robin always small. Duck is bigger than robin. Ostrich is the biggest bird. Now it's the time to do hands-on activities. Are you ready? Now it's the time to do the hands-on activities. I have different sizes of shapes. What I have to do is I have to separate them according to the size. Here I have to keep the big shapes. Here I have to keep the small shapes. First I am going to pick a circle. Yes. There's another circle I can see. Now I have two circles. Which one is the big one? Blue color one. Small one, green color one. So we will keep big circle over here and the small one here. Now I am going to pick triangles. This is blue color triangle and this is green color triangle. Which one is the big one? The blue color triangle. So I'll keep big one here. The small one here. And this shape is a rectangle. Yes, two sides long and two sides short. Which one is the big one? Is it green color one? No, it's blue color one. Okay, I will keep here the rectangle and the small one I will keep here. And the remaining two squares. I'll keep the small square here and the big square here. Comparing to these shapes are bigger. This circle, triangle, rectangle and square bigger than this circle, triangle, rectangle and square. So, big shapes, small shapes. Now I am going to show you another example. Okay, now I am going to separate the shapes according to the size. Now I have blue color shapes and yellow color shapes. See, I'll pick 2 circles. Which one is the big one? Is it blue color one? No. Yellow color one is big. So, this is keep here and small one here. Now I am going to pick triangles. What are my triangles? Yes. There are 2 triangles you can see. Which one is the big one? Yellow one. Yes. I will keep here and small one I'll keep here. Now I am going to pick 2 square shapes. Which one is the big one? Blue color one? No. Yellow color one. So, yellow will go here and blue will come here. Remaining 2 shapes. These both are rectangles. This one is small and this one is big. So I will keep here. This time, these shapes are big shapes and these shapes are small shapes. Now you understand the difference between big and the small. My next lesson is forward counting 10 to 20 and backward counting 20 to 10. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.